This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at Biotech Week San Francisco 2014. I have with me Gerald Commissiong of Amarantus, symbol AMBS. It's a publicly traded company. Gerald, welcome back to SNNLive.
Thank you for having me.
It's good to have you. Tell me about an overview, a little bit on the company. You've been here before. Let's get an update also.
Sure. Amarantus is a biotechnology company developing diagnostics and therapeutics in the neurodegenerative disease space. We work in Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. We have both a very interesting diagnostic, which is a diagnostic blood test for Alzheimer's that we're developing currently in the labs at Becton Dickinson and are looking to commercialize later on this year.
Anything new going on in the company?
Absolutely. In our therapeutic division, we just completed the in-license of a phase 2B asset called eltoprazine in Parkinson's disease levodopa-induced dyskinesia. So this is a major shift for the company, now moving from a preclinical therapeutic into a phase 2B ready, which is commercializable within the next 3 years in a massive market.
Massive market. And ladies and gentlemen, we all know Parkinson's and all of the other brain degenerative diseases. You've been working in this field now for how long?
I've been working in it personally for about 6 years now. My family's been involved for upwards of 30, 40 years. Obviously, my father's in neuroscience research, so it's been quite a while.
Gerald, let's get down to it. Tell me about the basic molecules.
On the therapeutic side, we have eltoprazine, which is a serotonin agonist. So basically, it goes after the serotonergic system. That's in phase 2B. We're going to initiate sometime in 2014. And that obviously is very significant because in Parkinson's disease, when you take the typical drug called L-DOPA, you get, after some period of time, wild movements, as you see, as major symptoms. Obviously, people have seen that with Michael J. Fox previously. So, being able to help with that is obviously an important part of the treatment regimen and would dramatically improve quality of life. Secondly, we're working on a potential curative therapy, growth factor, which actually helps to regrow the cells that die in Parkinson's. That's in preclinical development. We have some exciting data that was produced under the guidance of the Fox Foundation, and now we are planning on how to move that forward into human clinical development. We have a number of ideas how to do that, and it's exciting times.
Well, I knew you when. What I'm hearing today is some of the most fascinating news you could come out with. I mean, you're really moving forward with the company. Where do you see 2014-15 going?
Well, the end of 2014 should be interesting. We should be in the middle of a phase 2B trial for Parkinson's disease levodopa-induced dyskinesia, which is a huge market, $750 million in the U.S. alone, market potential. And we will also be further down the line in the treating an eye disease called retinitis pigmentosa. It's an orphan indication with our MANF therapeutic, and the same MANF therapeutic will be further down the road for the treatment of Parkinson's disease. We'll be potentially initiating studies, although right now, as we plan it out, we're really finalizing the plan to start those human clinical studies. So that'll be exciting. And on the diagnostic side, we'll be commercial. We should be selling to the marketplace. It's very exciting. We're looking at the reimbursement strategy now. There appear to be a lot of opportunities there. And with what we have on all the other things that are going on, it should be a very exciting year. So, the end of this year will be much better than the beginning.
I'm going to feed you a good question right now. How much competition do you have in this segment of the market?
Reasonable. I mean, I would say in the Alzheimer's blood space, there is not tremendous competition just because the technology is not there. So I feel like we could easily be first to market. On the therapeutic side, in the lid case, there is a drug in the marketplace. It does have some problems, and we know that a long-acting version of that drug will be coming out. Its efficacy is moderate. Certainly, if eltoprazine proves out, we think we would be a much better drug if the theory holds. And on the MAMP side, there are a few molecules, but nothing really with the activity that we see with the MAMP family, which is interesting. So we're very excited with where we are. We think we have proprietary positions. Certainly, that's a key part. We have a strong patent portfolio, and we are continually expanding that portfolio. And we work with some of the best lawyers in the industry with Wilson Sonsini. So we're very well taken care of on the patent side.
Gerald, let's get your website out there. What is that?
www.amarantus.com. AMARANTUS.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Gerald Commissiong, Amarantus, AMBS. It's a publicly traded company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at Biotech Week, San Francisco, 2014. Gerald, I wish you luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.